Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to cover what do you mean by fees, surcharges, and taxes. Because when you think about invoice, most of them think about just premium, right? Like, no, for a particular coverage, how much is the premium I am paying? But the invoice is not just going to have only the premium component, it is also going to have something in addition like fees, surcharges, and taxes. Sometimes I've seen customers getting confused. Why is there a separate line item for surcharge? Why is there a separate line item for fee? So I thought of explaining that at a very high level. Let's see what do you mean by fee. By definition, it's nothing but processing cost billed to the customer or insured by the insurance company. Let's see some example. Installment fee. Say if your premium is $1,200 and you as a customer wants that to be billed on a monthly basis, the insurance company can charge you an installment fee on every invoice because now they have to send invoice 12 times a year. So those administrative costs will be, gathered or collected from the customer. Payment reversal fee. Say you make a payment for some reason you made an incorrect amount or any reason. If you want to reverse that payment and make a new payment, in this case, for an administrative purpose, insurance company may charge you a payment reversal fee. Reinstatement fee. Say you pay, your policy was cancelled for non-payment. Now you make a payment. Your insurance company can charge you a new fee, reinstatement fee, to cover the administrative cost. Inspection fee. This is more of equipment breakdown policies. Say for equipment breakdown, if your insurance company wants to come to your location and inspect your equipments, then they charge you an additional fee. So again, this is few examples. There are more examples. So the concept here is when you get an invoice, when you see a separate line item for fee, it's very important that you understand the insurance company have charged you for this many reasons or something in addition to this. The second line item could be surcharge. Additional charge billed to the insurer to cover state administrative cost apart from the tax. Apart from the tax, sometimes your invoice will have something like a PLIGA charge or second injury fund. For example, if you take FIGA in Florida, we know most of the time there is catastrophic losses. If the insurance company becomes insolvent, when I say they cannot make payment because they're out of business, it is very important that the customer should be safeguarded, right? So they have a separate organizations like FIGA, PLIGA, who make sure that in those scenarios, they will cover the claim payment to the customers. To do that, they collect additional fee or charge apart from the taxes so that they can make the required payment if the insurance company becomes solvent. Or secondary injury fund. This is more of workers' compensation surcharge. Basically, most of us know workers' compensation is for employees. Assume an employee got injured. Next time if he applies for job, he or she applies for job, sometimes the employers may hesitate to rehire them because they fear that second time if they got injured, it will be total disability. So in those scenarios, this fund will help in covering the total disability and the employer can just cover their portion alone. Meaning to say, those kind of surcharges are added or to make sure that the employers do not discriminate between the employees. So the third kind of charges that you see is very common, like taxes. It's basically a pass-through charge collected by the insurance company and sent to Department of Insurance. It could be 5%, 2% based on your state. And it could be sometimes state tax or federal tax. It could differ, but the concept is simple. Taxes that are charged on your total premium. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.